Hi guys, this is TJ. So today it was a very good training day. Uh, I made 47k. So this is overnight position. So it's almost 4,000 47,390 profits I made today. So let's go to the trades. So if you remember, as I told on Friday, so the bank nifty, I told like it will open gap up and it will continue the trend because of that Fed tapering issue, that news. So the Dow was up and like all other European markets were also up. So the bank nifty started moving up. So as discussed, I didn't touch a call today, I just sold puts. uh, so when it gapped up, I thought like the bank nifty will continue the trend, but it reversed. uh, so at first I sold the put. So yeah, so one second. Yeah, so the first thing is like I sold 35,600 put, which was trading around 165. uh, there here I got a stop loss hit at 195. So this credit spread I created because I was bullish. So to take this credit, I created this uh, credit spread, and once the stop loss is hit, I this are my system trades which I take daily. So then I again shorted 35,600 put. So if you see here, I shorted here because it uh, rejected previous day high. So if you see, the previous day high was 35,818. So the bank this point was rejected, and bank nifty started moving up. So I sold 35,600 put. Okay, so and then these are the stop loss of my system trade. uh, Both of the call stop loss got hit, and yeah, so 35,600, I got 60 points here, so which is equal to 7,400 profit in this particular trade. Earlier, because of the stop loss, I lost 3,700 over there. And then I shorted 35 800 put. I rolled actually. So I closed 35,600 and rolled to 35,800 put, which was trading around 192. uh, yeah, so if you remember, I took this credit spread. So this 34,400 I closed, and I rolled to 35,500. uh, yeah, and if you see at 10 o'clock, it broke R2 levels, and if you see the RSI, it was above 70. So at this particular level, uh, I bought Nifty futures. Okay, at 36.57. uh, so this is my discretionary trade, 35,800 put. One second, 35,800 put, 192 which I shorted. I got 61 points here, which is equal to 7,653. uh, so I rolled to 35,900 put, which was trading around 159, but my stop loss got hit here. uh, if you see here, uh, at 190. Yeah, so bank nifty started going down from here. So my stop loss was the 35,900 put got hit, and I closed trailing stop loss for bank nifty also got triggered over there. At this particular point, I got LNT, which was trading around 168. Yeah. uh, Once my 35,900 put got triggered, uh, after some time I took the same 35,900 put again, and I closed it at 191 because the bank nifty was reversing. Yeah. So and again after closing I took again at 1134 at 180. um, so this time I got profit of 134, sorry, uh, 5,700. 180 I shorted, 135 I got. If you remember the credit spread which I was carrying, I closed it here because the bank nifty was not that bullish. I was just holding this 36,000 put. 166 I shorted 36,000 put, and I closed it at 1638 and moved to 3600 put. In 36,000 put I got 3,500, and in 3600 put I got 3,600. Then again I got futures because the bank nifty broke again the main R4 level, and it started moving up. So I bought it again, and 3600 I closed. I moved to 36,200. Here my stop loss got hit. If you see here, I had a 3,700 loss here. Then I moved to 3600 put, which was trading around 169. uh, yeah. So all these things I closed at 321, everything, my system trade, my features, and this one. Overall I got 47,000 in this. Uh, in At the money straddle I got 14,000, which is my system trade. 14,000 I got, and then out of the money strangle I got 8,500, and in my discretionary trade of uh, bank nifty I got 17,500, and in the credit spread which I took these things, I got 6,700, and bank nifty futures I got 4,600, and in the LNT trade I booked a loss of minus 4,000. Yeah, overall it was a very good day. uh, so tomorrow also the bank nifty is very bullish. If you see the change in open interest and all, it is mainly puts. Uh, you can see only puts are there. So so tomorrow also I will mainly sell puts. Only if I see a clear reversal, then only I will short calls. Otherwise I will not short calls. Yeah, that's it guys, thanks.